Is your Chrome browser acting like it's lost at sea, unable to connect to the internet despite your Wi-Fi being perfectly fine? One common culprit is the Windows firewall blocking Chrome's access, so let's fix that in a few easy steps. First, type Firewall into your Windows search bar. That's the little magnifying glass icon on your taskbar, and then click on Windows Defender Firewall. A new window will pop up, and on the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now, you might notice that most of the options are grayed out. Don't worry. We'll unlock them. Click on the Change Settings button at the top right of the window. You might need to grant administrative permission at this point. Scroll through the list of applications until you find Google Chrome. Make sure there are check marks in both the private and public boxes next to it. If you don't see Chrome, click the Allow Another App button. In the new window, click Browse, then navigate to the folder where Chrome is installed. It's usually in your Program Files x86 folder. Under the Google folder, select the Chrome application file, which is named ChromeX, and click Open. Chrome should now be displayed. Click Add to add Chrome to the list of allowed apps. With Chrome now checked under both private and public, click OK to save the changes. And that's it. Chrome should now have full access to the internet through your firewall, allowing you to browse smoothly once again. If you're still having issues, try restarting Chrome or your computer.